It's quick and simple chicken dumplings. Okay, y'all, she's cutting chicken thighs up and chicken breasts. Chicken thighs and chicken breasts. Chicken and dumplings.
Black pepper. Okay, so now I started with the broth that I'm going to have. Okay, very well, y'all. So now, got that going on this side.
Two cans of cream of chicken soup.
I'm using 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. One thing of chicken broth.
So there's 2 cans of cream of chicken, and she's gonna use chicken broth.
Okay.
The quick chicken and dumplings.
Okay, this is I just have. Oh yeah, I'm gonna start this on the stove because the chicken has to get done. But I'm gonna start letting this cook a little bit on the heat on the regular stove. And I'll bring it back over here to finish it on this heat. But I wanted to get this started.
Okay, y'all, that's croissant. She making the dumplings out. Mhm. Okay, y'all, she's putting the dumplings in.
Are you taping? Oh, okay. I want a lot of. Okay, everyone. This is the final preparations of my chicken and dumplings in a fast speed cooking way. So it's really easy to do. This is what you call easy chicken and dumplings. And it was made with, you can make it out of biscuits, but I made it out of croissants. And just a little bit. And I had about maybe a pound and a half of chicken breast mixed with chicken thighs. And this is very good, you all. So please try it. You will enjoy it, I'm sure. This is another one dish from Miss Lena's kitchen for the winter months. It's coming up for for the winter months. This is very good for the chicken and dumplings and a quick one dish meal. So thank you all and hope you all will enjoy it. Please forgive me for trying to get it out, but I hope you will see. Look at the comment. Look at excuse me. Look at the comments. I mean not the comments, but
Description box.
Description in the box, please. Thank you so much. I'm not gonna try to say too much more because I've been here too long with the thing. But I hope you will enjoy. Goodbye now. Now, this is off the chain here. I want you to try. It is delicious for just being a short time and an easy way to do it. One pot meal or whatever you have. Thank you so much. Off the chain. Off the chain. Remember that. It's really off the chain. Good night now. We'll see y'all in the next video. Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. Thank you for the 26 winter meal. I'm sorry. Goodbye now. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. With all my love. Goodbye from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Thank you.